What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's King Dio, and yep, it's another fried bologna video. Cause I got a lot of bologna, and like some of it went bad, so I was like, gotta eat it, and so I just got that big pile of barbecue lays and some pepperoncini, weenie, whatever you call them. No lettuce, tomato, nothing like that. Just 3 thick slices of fried bologna on each bread with mayo and hot sauce and cheese. I'm gonna go for the one with the darker toasted bread. I ain't gonna show you the bologna because it's kind of ugly, ain't gonna lie, but yeah. I think I don't know if it's the burner or if it's the pan, but something was off about it. I had a whole bunch of olive oil in the pan and it wasn't sizzling or nothing. I don't know, but shout out to Vern. Shout out to Vern. I just got off of his live, I love being on your guys' live because y'all just have a great chill vibe. The people that y'all got on there talking to y'all and stuff, they're sweet, cool, awesome people. Like I said, it's just a good vibe, good energy. I love it. I would have stayed longer, but I had to make a video. But yeah, shout out to Vern, man. He is an awesome guy. And I'll never do this. Because the purpose of us buying this is when we do the Mississippi chicken, because that's one of the main ingredients. Or Mississippi roast, I was gonna put banana peppers on these sandwiches, but it's like it don't make no sense if I ain't got no lettuce and tomato and stuff. So there's a lot of different little deli sandwiches and stuff that I want to do, Hot subs and cold subs. And sometimes that's all you need is a good sandwich. Chips on the side. And I love that sloppy mama hot sauce. That's my new favorite hot sauce. Nice and hot. Well, perfect. Mayo, hot sauce, cheese. So we finally got a Jersey Mike's in the area, in a neighboring city to the one I live in. So probably sometime next week, most likely Tuesday when I get paid, I'm going to Jersey Mike's. And I'm gonna give me a couple of things over there. See what they talk about. Now, the texture of this one is different from the other one, obviously, because the bread is not toasted the same as the other one. Like, this was a very, very light, non-existent toast. Basically, you look at this, you can't even tell that it's even been in the toaster. And the only reason why I did that was because I felt like I kind of overdid the first one, even though it was delicious. Mm. I swear I love YouTube. I love this platform because doing this, you get to see that there are still like really great people out there, you know. I'm so happy that I finally decided to make that decision, start making content after basically a whole year of procrastinating. It's awesome. The only thing about eating white bread when it's not toasted or barely toasted is that oftentimes it'll like get kind of stuck to your teeth. But other than that, I love it. So this is something I forgot to talk about yesterday. It happened yesterday. So I was working yesterday in the candy aisle, and this woman that works, you know, there. She mainly does like candy and stuff. She was like changing the mods on the aisle, and she just like this kind of randomly. She was like, some I could barely hear what she was saying, but she was like, something about we the only two in the aisle or something like that. And then she was like, and I didn't even know you had a YouTube channel. And I was like, who told you I had a YouTube channel? Because like I don't actively go out my way to tell people other than like I was told like my best friend, and maybe a few of the people that I work with on my team specifically, but I don't actually go out my way to tell nobody, I got a YouTube channel, because like I said, it depends on who the person is and what their mindset is on if they're gonna not care, think it's cool, show support, or try to clown you. I've experienced all three in a way. But so I was like, who told you that? She didn't want to tell me how she found out that I had a YouTube channel from somebody. Cause like, unless we follow each other on like Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, that's the only way you would know unless I directly told you. And then she was like, "Cause I seen you eat all that food." And I was like, "How you getting fat?" Okay. So the first thing is, I'm already chubby. But as I stated before, like based on my schedule and how I handle the idea of eating, it helps. Basically, I do like an intermittent fasting throughout the day. My schedules is 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day except Monday and Tuesday when I'm off. So other than those days, which is like anything goes, on the work day, I don't eat anything. Occasionally I might snack, or if they offer like a little snack or something, especially if it's free, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna eat it, whatever it can be. But in most cases, I don't eat anything. I just drink water and or Coke Zero. And I do that for the whole day. So yes, I'd be hungry, like today. Hungry, frustrated, a little annoyed, but I make it through. So I can get home, and if I have money and I buy something to eat, or I have something at home to make, that's when I eat. And what I eat is what I record on video. I feel like it's more, like obviously I'll still kind of have moments where I'm just eating and I'm not recording, especially if it's something I already ate. Like if I decided to eat another bologna sandwich again later today, after I already recorded this video, I'm not going to record myself eating it because I already made a video of me eating. I'm not going to do it, I'm just saying. Because sometimes I do that with like cereal. After that, I begin like a sweet tooth. So I usually use cereal as like my sweet tooth thing. I know it's weird, but that's what I do. But I don't record myself eating cereal, So I only eat this, and that's it. Or afterwards, I'll probably eat some cereal or something, or whatever. But that's it. I'm still drinking sugar-free, stuff with 5 calories or no calories, or I'm drinking water, or I'm drinking sugar-free or diet if I can't get like Coke Zero drinks. So me stopping from drinking like regular lemonade and juices and stuff with a lot of sugar, or cold drinks with a lot of sugar, that also helps. And my job is pretty physical. Not like the most physical ever, but it has its moments. And a lot of walking and stuff too, so. And if anything, if I kind of slip up a little bit in the week, the most I'll do is probably gain like maybe 2, 3, 4 pounds. But I'm gonna bounce back and I'm gonna lose it back again, so. That's basically my plan, I guess you could say. Because imagine if I was like really active, like going to the gym and stuff, I'd be fine as hell. Don't let me get that fresh haircut again. Game over. God damn. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I love y'all. I'm about to enjoy the rest of my little day. I got one more day that I'm off. Finally get paid, get some money back in my pocket because your boy's been broke the whole week. But it's all good. We survive. We strive. We move. We do what we do. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Again, shout out to Vern Bang. You're an awesome, awesome channel. Awesome guy. Maybe one day I'll stop being scared and probably do a live, but no promises. But I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment and all that stuff if you're new and stuff like that. Welcome to the channel. I'm King Dio, and we out of here. Peace out.